Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 134. These were events that occurred on 11 January 2023. This is a Wednesday. So I started the day off. I had my exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 5-minute jog. It was a bad day. It was a bad day because I had several canceled appointments. Several things fell apart. I didn't get support like I needed support in some areas, and I won't go into that on this recording. But then, just a series of some unfortunate events happened, and I also had some people that were supposed to join my team, virtual assistants, that I was going to hire one person back, and that person at the last minute decided not to because of scheduling. And then the same thing happened recently with another person. So that was a double whammy. And now I'm getting really, really busy, and I need the help really bad. And I don't have the team to really. The people who are there, I have like 2 people who are really spectacular, and I'm grateful. I'm really grateful and humbled that they are working so hard, but they can only do so much. So I had canceled appointments. I had leads that I spent a lot of money for that are not being called like as fast as I'd like. It's not the people's fault that's there. It's just, I tried to do too much too fast, and I spent money. I probably wasted some money. And then my internet went down for like late morning to, mid-afternoon. So it was a good chunk of my day that I was unproductive. I couldn't do anything. I mean, the internet was totally down, and I do have cell phone, but the internet signal is so weak where I live that it's basically useless. So the internet's generally, most of the time the internet works fine, and it's high speed and it's good, but it was one of the rare exceptions where it wasn't working, and so that just I'm trying to like not characterize events and days like having bad days and all that, because it's not a bad day. It's a learning opportunity. It's an unfortunate thing, but my coach tells me that I'm addicted to disappointment, and I need to, instead of being disappointed, be grateful at the things that I do have. So I'm practicing like focus gratitude, focus forgiveness, and focus letting go. So later I had a doctor's appointment, then I worked on books, and then I worked on the Remote Wellness Academy practice. So that was my day for day 134. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.